Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove Gmail account from your XIAOMI 12T. So first let's open up the Gmail, and as you can see I have two accounts logged in. And now let's try removing one by opening the settings, then scroll all the way down to find accounts and synchronization. Here click on the Google. Now go for more, or select the account you want to remove first, and in this case let it be this one. Click on more and then remove account, and remove the account. And now if we go back to our Gmail, this account shouldn't be visible anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.